Hi, it's Big Bird 130 here, or Steve as people like to call me. So today I've got another unboxing for you. This is the Baurm-AG tilling attachment for the Baurm-AG power heads. The power heads are like this. I have one here. I actually own two of these. They're okay. Their power's all right. They're very heavy for what they are. But hopefully this will be helpful in the garden patch that I'm about to build. So, without further ado, I'll find my knife. Oh, there it is, right next to the camera. And we'll get into unboxing. So this comes from Edison's, edisons.com.au, and it took a little time to get to me. We've got COVID-19 restrictions here, of course, and that has caused much disruption to the postal service. And yeah, so we had to wait a while for this to come, and I've got other things in the mail at the moment which have been in there for weeks, and I'm still waiting for them. I even got inquiries on them. But there you go. Here's the tool, if I can get it out of the box. Out of the box. There we go. So that looks fairly good. Looks like it's got replaceable blades there. They're a bit thin. It's my first impression of them. So I wouldn't be cutting into any really solid soil. It'd be relatively loose soil that you'd be wanting to get into. Yeah, I don't know whether you can replace these. They've got a clip here that looks like these blades can come off. Yes, they can. And you can probably replace them if they get damaged. Got one on the other side? Yes, we do. So yeah, so that's it there. What I might do is attach it to the tower head. The thing I'm most concerned about actually is this is very heavy, even with those thin blades. I suppose if it's on the ground, it wouldn't be so much of a problem. But you wouldn't want to have to be holding it up all the time. That would be a lot of weight. There's a fair bit of weight in that gearbox there, I think. These are just neoprene bushing, not even neoprene bushings, they're foam bushings between these blades. So I don't know how long they'll withstand each other. Yeah. But overall,